Question 10 says that the diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. So here's a figure I've drawn for you, a trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC, and the diagonals, you can see that the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. We have to prove that the area of triangle AOD is equal to the area of triangle BOC. Now triangle AOD is this triangle I have highlighted, and triangle BOC is this triangle I have highlighted, and we have to show that the areas of these two triangles are equal. So here's the reasoning that we're going to use. We are first going to compare triangle DAB and triangle CAB, these two triangles. These two triangles lie on the same base being AB, and they are between the same parallels AB and DC, and this means that their areas must be the same. Now these two triangles have a common overlapping area, and that's the area of triangle OAB. If we take out this common area from both the triangles, so if we take out for example, the area of triangle OAB from DAB, we get the area of triangle AOD, and if we take out the area of triangle OAB from CAB, we will get the area of triangle BOC. So this is the reasoning that we're going to follow to solve this problem. So this means that the areas of AOD and BOC will be equal, and this is the reasoning that we are going to apply to solve this problem. Alright, let's first compare triangles DAB and CAB. So triangle DAB and triangle CAB, they are on the same base. So they are on the same base, which is AB. Both of them are on AB, and they are between the same parallels. And what are those parallels? So the parallels are AB and DC. So they are between the same parallels AB and DC, which means that their areas will be equal. So area of DAB, triangle DAB, will be equal to the area of triangle CAB. The next step is to, as I said, observe that there is some area common to both the triangles, which is the area of triangle OAB. So we are going to subtract this area from both sides of this equation that we have written. So let's call this equation 1, and now we will subtract the area of OAB from both sides of 1. So on the left side we will get area of DAB minus area of OAB, and on the right side we will get area of CAB minus area of OAB. Okay, now what is the area of DAB minus OAB? Observe the figure carefully. DAB minus OAB will give you the area of AOD. So on the left side you will have area of AOD, and on the right side you have area of CAB minus OAB. Now observe this figure again. CAB minus OAB will give you BOC. So on the right side you will get the area of BOC, and this means that the areas of AOD and BOC are equal. This is what we had to prove. Areas of AOD and BOC are equal. So this completes question number 10.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.